Welcome to Liveroc Finance and Investment. Today we are going to deal with economics. What is economics? Before we get the explanation of economics, I would love to take this opportunity to explain how these tutorials are structured and what they entail. These tutorials are produced by Liveroc in collaboration with other expert partners. Then you see the number 01. These tutorials are logically numbered from 1 and so on and so forth. After 01, then you see the field of study. And in this case, the field of study is finance and investment, is always in inverted commas. And lastly, you see the topic under discussion. In this case, the topic under discussion is economics explained. That is the explanation of economics. Now let's go back to the explanation of economics, now that we understand the structure of these tutorials. Economics is the study of how individuals, people, businesses, governments, nations allocate scarce resources. Underline, allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. We usually abbreviate that by saying it's PDC. Let me explain once more. Economics is the study of how individuals, businesses, governments, nations allocate scarce resources for production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Very crucial. Economics is also the study that focuses on how economies work. It studies the interaction of economic agents, the economic units, and their allocation of scarce resources for PDC, that is for production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services. Economics is simply about what to produce, how we work, how we distribute scarce resources, and how we use what we have produced. Like consumption aspects, how we make use of our production efforts. Economics is simple about who does what, who gets what do they do with what they got, and how much scarce resources to allocate, where and to who and how and when and why. When making reference to production, economics focuses not only on existing output of goods and services with respect to production. It focuses on producing output from scarce resources. It focuses on the factors of production. Economics is a system of cause and effect, showing what happens when you do specific things in specific ways. The entire process entails the decision taken and the consequences for such decisions in the allocation of resources. Now that we have explained economics, what economics is, let us deal with the two broad categories or disciplines of economics, and those are microeconomics and macroeconomics. Let us explain microeconomics. Microeconomics is a field of study which deals with basic aspects of the economy. It deals with the individual decision-making agents, individual decision-making units, and analyzes their interaction. how they coordinate with each other, how they cooperate with each other, how they trade with each other. These individual making units or individual making agents include, amongst others, the buyers we know, the sellers we know, the business entities, companies, firms, government agencies, households, producers, individual persons. Microeconomics focuses on all the dynamics of demand and supply of goods and services. It focuses on how individual decision-making agents make financial decisions and react to risks associated with their transactions. Microeconomics focuses on the rationale behind various valuation of different goods and services. Why different goods and services, different as they are valued differently? Now let us explain macroeconomics. Macroeconomics examines the overall economies, be it national economies, be it regional economies, be it international economies. To make an example, for instance, in the case of national economies, we will be talking about the economy of Rwanda, the economy of South Africa, the economy of Kenya, the economy of Nigeria, the economy of Ghana, the economy of Zambia, and the economy of different countries, national economies. Then when we are talking about regional economies, we'll be talking about, for example, Southern African region, which encompasses South Africa, Botswana, Madagascar, and others. Eastern African region, which encompasses Rwanda, Kenya, Mauritius, amongst others. And also the international economics. The reference is made to the entire world and globally. Basically, looking at their overall business cycles. That is what economics is all about. It's looking at their overall business cycles, is looking at the economic growth and development of this level of macroeconomics, is looking at the issues of gross domestic product. That is all about macroeconomics, monetary policies, fiscal policies, inflation, interest rates, unemployment rates. That is what macroeconomics is all about. It's looking at all those aspects: business cycles, economic growth and development, GDP, monetary policies, inflation, unemployment rates. As you know that we normally get all those statistics about the level of unemployment in a particular country versus other countries. And also macroeconomics make use of aggregate economic data and variables to model the economy. The focus is on the allocation of scarce resources, as we have indicated with economics. Why? It is simply because we want to maximize efficiency. We want to optimize efficiency as economists. Efficiency in production efficiency is always key to economists. Economics is applied everywhere. Is applied in the agricultural sector, where you get agricultural economists as well. Is applied in the engineering sector, where you get engineering economists. In the financial sector, you get also financial economists. We will dedicate a special tutorial on the applications of economics in our follow-up videos. How do we ensure optimization? Economists use numerous models, assumptions, strategies, techniques. All those will be dealt with in a special tutorial, because we want to make it sure that we follow specific topics and we explain them in detail. Now that we have explained economics, in our follow-up videos and tutorials, we will be focusing on the roles or functions of economists, on the economic systems, as well as 1000 secrets. It's going to be a series of tutorials, I assure you. More than 1000 secrets of finance, trade and investment, which you are supposed to know in order for you to be the real-time Liveroc Guru. Proper foundations. Ensure that you take notes as you are listening to these tutorials as your point of reference. Please take notes and listen to these tutorials many a times. Not once, not twice, but many a times. That will help you to understand this wealth of information we are sharing. These tutorials are ideal for everyone, especially students, officials, executives, consultants who are also consulting in business and beyond, and also business people. Very crucial that they should get these tutorials because they are structured and they are up to the point. Even those who did economics many years ago, those who did finance many years ago, they will dearly get refresher. Should you wish to be the Liveroc Guru, which is also very crucial, take note of that. If you want to be the Liveroc Guru, kindly contact us. The contact details are stated in the section below this tutorial video. This is particularly important as some of the information will specifically be shared with Liveroc Gurus only. Should you wish to receive advanced holistic business consulting services for your entire business success, kindly contact us. The contact details are also stated in the section below this tutorial video. Please, and once more, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. We'll take note of everyone who has left the comment on the comment section. We value your support and your participation. Once more, we value your support and your participation. And please watch all the videos that will follow. Thank you.